I think we bring the sandbag. Can you pass it back in there and stack it on the pallet?
Alright. Back? Sure, I can do that.
I think you meant more about pulling it tight. You got the middle one? Yeah, the middle one's good. Ma'am. Alright, that's good. Remember, they're going to need 50 for pallet.
Getting a whole bunch of sand in there. Huh? Like, oh, I mixed the whole thing.
One on the left?
Or is it the right?
Master Sgt. Charles Robert Patterson Jr., C-H-A-R-L-E-S, P-A-T-T-E-R-S-O-N. I am the Superintendent of Operations Engineering within the Civil Engineer Operations Flight. There's no one spoke on the wheel that's not important. Everybody's effort is required to keep this thing going. As far as a civil engineer perspective, we do it all. When it comes to setting up the ramp, when it comes to setting up snow fence, crowd control fence, making sandbags for X, Y, and Z, making amnesty boxes, setting up teams that are going to be maintaining the actual event during the open house, making sure that everybody has power that's supposed to be powered, making sure that security details have everything that they need, making sure that everything is set up for porta-johns, portable toilets, waste, refuse. Like I said, you name it and we do it.
No.
Let's take, for example, the portable toilets. If we have an outstanding show, if the Thunderbirds come out and they do an outstanding performance and everything goes off without a hitch, which is what we're expecting, but there's an issue where we don't have enough portable toilets, or they're not cleaned properly, or there's no service that is appropriate or what we would expect for our visitors or spectators that are coming out. That is the one thing they will remember. So we try to keep that in mind with every aspect, every detail that we put forth for the open house. It's supposed to be class, it's supposed to be precision. We want our guests to come in, all the people from Delmarva that are going to be coming in to see how we project air power. We want them to have a good lasting impression. So every part of what we do is important. The excitement level is starting to increase. It's been going on for quite a while now. The planning process is pretty long. The worst thing that you can tell an engineer is not to work. And add into that a challenge and everybody's happy. And there has definitely been no shortfall on challenges as far as the open house. So we are challenged. We have met that challenge. We are here to work. We're here to do a great job and put on an outstanding show. And for that, we are truly excited. We're the United States Air Force, and more than that, we're civil engineers. We respond accordingly no matter what the task. Our airmen understand that we have a job to do, we have a mission to do. Anytime that a task is brought down or asked of them, they respond just like any other task, and they are always on the spot ready to work. There's been so many moving pieces in this, coming all the way back from February, when I think February is when we had our first meeting. So many things that have been working into place, and it's really been exciting the past couple of weeks because we've seen a lot of those moving pieces move, actually. But I want to see it all in place. I want to see 100,000 guests out on that ramp, enjoying all of the hard work that our engineers have done, not just the engineers, but the entire Team Dover staff. I'm excited to see that in place and functioning as we expect it to. We have an outstanding squadron. We have an outstanding wing. But when I see everything falling into place, when I see things happening with precision, with class, it just makes me that much more proud to be an engineer, which is hard to do. We are truly excited at Dover Air Force Base, and from my perspective, from the Civil Engineer Squadron, for our visitors to come on base, for our spectators to come on and have an outstanding time. It's really going to be a great show, and a lot of work has gone into it, a lot of after hours, and a lot of thought that has been a little strenuous at time, but you know, it's what we do. It's what we enjoy. So just I hope that people come out and have a great time and enjoy all of our